Welcome to this video on the Tableau interface and data thinking. We will explore the fundamentals of data visualization and how to effectively use Tableau's workspace.
The Tableau workspace consists of key components. The data pane holds all data fields, organized as dimensions and measures. The rows and column shelves define your visualization structure, and the marks card controls how data is displayed through type, color, and size. Understanding dimensions and measures is crucial. Dimensions are qualitative, categorical data used to slice and filter, like region or product. Measures are quantitative, numeric data that are typically aggregated, such as sales or profit. A wrong understanding leads to a wrong chart. Data can also be discrete or continuous. Discrete values are separate and distinct, creating headers and appearing as blue pills. Continuous values are within a range, creating axes and appearing as green pills. This distinction significantly changes your visualization. Adopt a data thinking mindset by starting with the end in mind. Ask, what question am I answering? To define the purpose and focus on insights. Ask, who is viewing this dashboard? To match the expertise level and enable interactivity. Avoid common beginner mistakes like blind dragging or failing to define a business question. Move from what can I show to what needs to be shown by following the one chart, one message principle and focusing on clarity. Key takeaways include: think before dragging, and remember that Tableau follows data logic. Dimensions slice, measures provide values, and discrete versus continuous affects the view. Always prioritize clarity over complexity.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, visit www.ajacademy.co.in.